Assalamu alaikum, Yarisha Siddiqui, lecture number 3. Firstly, we talk about how much a virtual assistant can earn. Service provider minimum charge rates. Account management for PL $300 to $400. Account management for wholesale $300 to $350. Product hunting $150 to $250. Sourcing for PL $200. Wholesaler brand approval $150 to $200. Content writing $50 to $100. Launching and ranking $300. Image design $100. Listing optimization $70 to $100. Account resistance category ungated service $500. Keyword research $100 to $150. Ranking PPC per month $450 to $550 per month. Potential income per month. अगर आपको एक मंथ में एक क्लाइंट मिलता है जो कि आपको पे करता है $400 पर मंथ, तो आप उसके साथ 4 क्लाइंट्स को हैंडल आराम से कर सकते हो। तो आपकी कितने होंगी टोटल इनकम? $1600। नाउ वी टॉक अबाउट अमेजोन मार्केट प्लेसेस। There are total 17 marketplaces on Amazon. United States 66%, Germany, United Kingdom, Italy, Spain, France, Netherlands. These are come into Europe. 3.5 marketplace shares: Canada, Mexico, Singapore, United Arab, Brazil, Australia, India, Saudi Arabia, Turkey. It is not a quick rich scheme. There are many failures as well. So please think as a learning skill. It will take a while for you to start earning, but all depend on your dedication, hard work, mindset, patience. Allah Hafiz. Remember in your